Hello everyone, welcome to LBS. Today I am going to teach you a new chapter, chapter number 2, fractions and decimals. Some few points are given for it. See here, a proper fraction is a fraction that represents a part of a whole. Means the value of proper fraction is always less than 1. See here, the next one, an improper fraction. An improper fraction is a combination of whole and a proper fraction. Means its value is always greater than 1. Next one, any number of type 1 integer 3/4 is a mixed fraction. I hope you have understand. Comment the exercise 2.1 in which the first question is solve the following questions. First, 2 minus 3/5. Now multiply 2 by 5, it becomes 10 minus 3 whole divided by 5 is equal to 7/5. Question number 2, 7/10 plus 2/5 plus 3/2. Now here in denominator the LCM becomes 10, so make it all the denominator parts as 10. This will be as it is 7/10, multiply in this number by 2 and divide by 2. 2 into 2/5 into 2, and to make it 10 multiply it by 5. This is plus 3 into 5/2 into 5. This is 7/10, this is 4/10, this is 15/10. All denominator parts are equal, so apply the direct addition. This is 7 plus 4 plus 15/10 is equal to 26/10 is equal to 13/5. In the third one, 2 integer 2/3 plus 3 integer 1/2. Make it simple fraction. It becomes 2 3s are 6, 2 8, 8/3, 3 2s are 6 and 1 7 plus 7/2. Now you can use the cross multiplication, or you can make its denominator part equal. So multiply it by 2, 8 into 2/3 into 2, and multiply it by 3 to make it equal. It's a denominator part. This is 7 into 3/2 into 3, that is 16/6 plus 21/6. 16 plus 21/6 is equal to 37/6. See the question number 4, 9/11 minus 4/15. Now to make its denominator part, multiply denominator part equal, multiply it by 15 and multiply this number by 11. This is 9 into 15/11 into 15 minus 4 into 11 upon 15 into 11 is equal to 135/165 minus 44/165. Denominator are same, so we can use the subtraction. 135 minus 44 is equal to 165 is equal to 91/165. Now question number 5, 6 and 7 for you as homework. Now come at the question number 2. Arrange the following in descending order. The question number 1 is 2/9, 2/3, 8/21. Now first of all, see here, it's all the denominators are unequal, so find its LCM. Its LCM is 63. So make all the denominator part 63. 2/9 into 7/7. This becomes 14/63. To make it 63, we will multiply it by 21. So 2/3 into 21/21 is equal to 42/63. To make this 63, we will multiply it by 3. Therefore 8/21 into 3/3 is equal to 24/63. See here, we have to arrange in descending order. The first greater will be first, this will be second, and the smaller will be last. 42/63, 24/63 and 40/63 at the last. So this is the 2/3. So we will write it first. This number is 8/21. We will write it at the second place, and 2/9 is the smaller one, so we can write it in the last. See, question number 2 is for you as a homework. Question number 3, in a magic square, the sum of the number in each row, in each column and along the diagonals is the same. Is this a magic square? See, if we add all the row parts and column parts as well as diagonal parts, if both all have the same value, then it is a magic square. Now take a first row. This is 4 upon 11 plus 9 upon 11 plus 2 upon 11. We add here, its value is 15 upon 11. Second row, 3 upon 5 plus 5 upon 11. This is 3 upon 11, sorry. 3 upon 11 plus 5 upon 11 plus 7 upon 11 is equal to 15 upon 11. Third row, 8 upon 11 plus 1 upon 11 plus 6 upon 11. It is also 15 upon 11. For column C, this wise, like that, vertical line. 4 upon 11 plus 3 upon 11 plus 8 upon 11. This line, it is 15 upon 11. Second one, 9 upon 11 plus 5 upon 11 plus 1 upon 11. Its addition is also 15 upon 11. Last one, 2 upon 11, 7 upon 11 and 6 upon 11. Its addition is also 15 upon 11. This is for column. All the values are same as row. Now take the diagonal. 4 upon 11 plus 5 upon 11 plus 6 upon 11. It is also 15 upon 11. Now this diagonal, 2 upon 11 plus 5 upon 11 plus 8 upon 11. Its value is also 15 upon 11. So you can see here, all the values are same here. So you can say that yes, this is a magic square. Next, question number 4. A rectangular sheet of paper is 12 integer 1 upon 2 centimeter long and 10 integer 2 upon 3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. So L is equal to 12 integer 1 by 2 centimeters. After solving it, we will find 25 upon 2 centimeter. B is 10 integer 2 upon 3 centimeter is equal to 32 upon 3 centimeter. Perimeter is 2 into L plus B is equal to 2 into 25 upon 2 plus 32 upon 3. To make its denominator part equal, we multiply this by 3 and multiply this by 2. Therefore 2 into 25 into 3 upon 2 into 3 plus 32 into 2 upon 3 into 2. Now after solving it, we will get 2 into in bracket 75 upon 6 plus 64 upon 6. Add them. 2 into this becomes 139 upon 6. Then 6 will be cancelled by 2 in 3 times. The answer is 139 upon 3 centimeter. Next, question number 5. Find the perimeters of triangle ABE and the rectangle BCD in this figure whose perimeter is greater. So first of all, this figure is given and its values are also given. We will find first perimeter of triangle ABE. Perimeter means the addition of all the sides. We can take AB plus B plus A. What is its value? 5 by 2. AB is equal to 5 by 2. B is equal to 2 integer 3 by 4. A is equal to 3 integer 3 upon 5. Make it simple. This will be as it is. This is 2 4 ja 8, 3 ja 2 4 ja 8 plus 3 11 upon 4. 3 5 ja 15 plus 3 18 upon 5. So make their denominator parts equal. This becomes 5 into 10 upon 2 into 10 plus 11 into 5 upon 4 into 5 plus 18 into 4 upon 5 into 4. This becomes 50 upon 20. This is 55 upon 20. This is 72 upon 20. After that, it becomes 50 plus 55 plus 72 whole divided by 20 is equal to 177 by 20. See here, perimeter of rectangle BCD is what? As per the given figure, 2 into B plus D. You can see here, this is the figure, this is the value of BE and this is the value of DE. So you can write that 2 into in bracket 2 into is 3 upon 4 plus 7 upon 6. Make it simple. You have this number 2 into 11 upon 4 plus 7 upon 6. To make their denominator parts, we multiply it by 3 and multiply this by 2. This becomes 2 into 11 by 11 into 3 upon 4 into 3 plus 7 into 2 upon 6 into 2. Therefore 2 into in bracket 33 upon 12 plus 14 upon 12. Its addition will be 2 into 47 upon 12. It becomes 47 by 6 centimeter. So you can see that 177 upon 20 is greater than 47 upon 6. You can see it by dividing it. So we can say that perimeter of triangle ABE is greater than perimeter of rectangle BCDE. See, Salir wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 integer 3 upon 5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture can't be more than 7 integer 3 upon 10 centimeter wide. How much should the picture be terminated? सी है, सहील के पास एक पिक्चर है 7 इंटीजर 3.5 सेंटीमीटर वाइड है, बट जो फ्रेम है उसके अंदर हम 7 इंटीजर 3.10 सेंटीमीटर फोटो को ही फ्रेम कर सकते हैं। तो कितना फोटो को हमें कट करना पड़ेगा ये बताना है। ना विड्थ ऑफ पिक्चर इज 7 इंटीजर 3.5, इट इज़ 38.5 सेंटीमीटर। विड्थ ऑफ फ्रेम और रिक्वायर्ड पिक्चर हम फाइंड कर सकते हैं, दिस इज 7 इंटीजर 3.10, इट इज 73.10 सेंटीमीटर। अब पिक्चर बड़ा है, सो हाउ कैन वी टर्मिनेटेड, द पिक्चर शुड बी टर्मिनेटेड बाय 38/5, इस वैल्यू में से हम इसको माइनस कर देंगे। 38/5 माइनस 73/10 टू मेक इट किलोमीटर पार्ट इक्वल मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 2, 38 इंटू 2/5 इंटू 2 माइनस 73/10, therefore 76/10 माइनस 73/10 is equal to 3/10 सेंटीमीटर। Next question. Ritu ate 3/5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who ate the longer share by how much? तो पूरा एक एप्पल था। द पार्ट ऑफ फॉर रितु इज 3/5 सेंटीमीटर। तो पार्ट फॉर सोमू कितना हो जाएगा, 1 में से 3/5 पार्ट जो खा लिया उसको माइनस कर दे, दिस विल बी 2/5। सो यू कैन सी हियर 3/5 इज ग्रेटर देन 2/5, देन रितु एट द लार्जर साइड हाउ मच, so we denote it by difference d is equal to 3/5 minus 2/5 is equal to 1/5. So Ritu's share is more than Somu by 1/5. In the 8th one, see, Michael finished coloring a picture in 7/12 hour. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3/4 hour. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? So we can एक ही पिक्चर को माइकल ने और वैभव ने अलग अलग टाइम में बताया। अब हमको ये बताना है किसने ज़्यादा टाइम लिया। So time taken by Michael is 7/12 hour. Time taken by Weber is 3/4 hour. To make its denominator part as 12, we can multiply it by 3. Therefore, 3 into 3/4 into 3, it becomes 9/12 hour. So you can see here 9/12 is greater than 7/12. So you can say that Weber worked longer. How much? Complete it by difference. D is equal to 9/12 minus 7/12. It becomes 2/12 is equal to 1/6 hour. Means Weber takes 1/6 hour more than the Michael. Thank you. We will meet in the next video.